the mean gives us something very much like the center of a distribution. So we call the mean one measure of central tendency. The tendency is for things to be close to the mean in a lot of distributions, in most distributions that we encounter, but not all. Now, the mode of a distribution is another measure of central tendency. It's the most frequent. Okay? Now, from our ordered list, from our ordered stem and leaf list, we can see that 135, 139, one that I missed earlier, 141, and 143 each occur. Oh, wait a minute, hold it. 141 occurs only twice. So we're talking about things that occur 3 times. So I think I said that wrong when we looked at the stem and leaf diagram, but you can check back or you can look at your own, and anyhow you should understand the principle. That I think we had 3 occurrences of each of these numbers. Now they each occur 3 times. The question arises, can you have 3 modes? Well, the authors here say that you can't. Okay, you can have 1 mode or you can have 2 modes. 1 mode is okay, that's what you usually expect. 2 modes, we call that a bimodal distribution. Bimodal, 2 modes. But there's no such thing in the vocabulary of the text as 3 modes, a trimodal distribution. And for statistical reasons, there's not much point in thinking about trimodal or more. They just don't have much significance, even if they were defined, and in statistics they really aren't. Okay? The mode from the classes. Okay, if we look back at the classes, and I'm going to have to leap back here just a bit. Get it yet? Okay, if we go to the classes here, and if we just look at the stem leaf diagram, we can see that the mode here is between 135 and 139. So the class between 135 and 139 would be the class mode, the class which has the greatest frequency. So we would say that that would be the 6 occurrences (135 to 139). The class 135 to 139 is the modal class here, the class which has the greatest frequency. So the mode is really a pretty simple thing to determine. If you have a frequency distribution or a stem and leaf diagram, you can determine which occurrence is the most frequent, or which class of occurrences happens with the most frequency, depending upon your context.